One of the things that I always teach any one of our new team members or my family at home is the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. It's something that goes into all areas of our lives, and we know with our team that if there's issues at home, that they're going to get brought to work, and issues at work are going to get brought home. So we are extremely I would say stringent on making sure that our guys have cohesion in their job sites, that our job sites aren't having any major issues when it comes to our processes. So there's 100 ways to skin a cat, and we do understand that in construction. However, there's the way that industry standards would have it, and then there's the way that Brickworks standards have it. So every year we put on Brickworks Academy, and this is a way, even if it's our journeyman masons coming in, or if it's our entry-level guys, we're coming together, we're explaining how to park a truck and trailer in front of a home, we're explaining how to rebuild a chimney, we're explaining the difference between tuck pointing and rebuilding. We're doing this in building this reputation on quality, brick by brick, building on these fundamentals of the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. So if this is something that you need done in your home, whether it be brick restoration, a new addition, foundation repair, one of our specialties, feel free to visit our website, click the link below, or give us a call at our office at 586-868-3234.